Ensuring that your bike is secure is critical, but that doesn't mean that it has to be difficult. The all-new Moto Kit from Rollercam is fantastic, and I'd like to show it to you today. They've come up with a solution that is not only quick and easy, but is well built and is going to last a lifetime. Guys, this is going to be the last Moto Kit you ever have to buy. Now, I think that this is the best kit on the market. Let me show you why. Let's take a look. All right, well, here is the Moto Kit from Rollercam. Now, before I get started on that, I don't want to make the assumption that you're familiar with these Rollercam straps, because this is what the Moto Kit is built out of, is the Rollercam straps. And you can order these in all different lengths. This is a 4-foot one. They come in different widths. But these are fantastic. At any given time, I'll have a dozen of these on my rig. Now, just looking at this, you can tell this thing is really, really well built. And the cool thing about these, in my opinion, is this spinner right here. This is a marine grade brass roller. And what that does is it takes out that friction, and it really allows you to very quickly and easily get things wicked tight. And look at the teeth on this. As soon as you give that a tug, it is not slipping back. I've used this to hold down just about everything that you can imagine on my rig. And I absolutely love these. Now, the straps themselves are incredibly durable. These are if you're into this type of stuff, this is a high tenacity polypropylene webbing. It's cut in length. And then check this out. It's got that triple bar tack stitching. They cut these, by the way, at a 45-degree angle. And that makes it quick and easy for you to just feed these through. And like I said, one quick pull and things get very, very tight very, very quickly. And by the way, I also carry a ton of these. This is their rope roller product. I probably have 10 or so of those going at any given time once we're at camp. They're like this. Maybe you're like me and you like to tie a trucker's hitch or a taut line hitch to hold guy lines down, keep your tarts, your awnings, your tents nice and tight. Well, guys, there is nothing faster and easier than this. The design is very, very similar, has that marine grade brass roller, so that once you've got your guy line in place, a quick pull, and this does not go back on itself. You have to release it in order to loosen that up. Love, love, love these. Now, with that in mind, let's take a look at the Rollercam Moto Kit. We just open this up, dump this guy out. Yes, yes, yes. This one's wrapped up in Velcro. That's because I'm that guy. I like to keep things nice and orderly. These do not come wrapped up like that, but that's who I am. So let me just lay this out here real quickly. And what you've got, you can see, is 2 different Rollercam straps put together to make this. Now, this top one is a soft shackle. It's got the little carabiner type of deal here, so you can run this around your handlebars, clip it together here. Comes down to the cam buckle, and then you've got this gray strap, and this is going to come down to your mounting points. So you'll hook that on, whatever your mounting point is, and then you're going to come back up here. This around your mounting point, this around your handlebars, and with that in place, one quick pull and you can cinch everything down really, really tight. The working load on this is 500 pounds, made of this 1¼ inch strap, and of course it's featuring this friction-free buckle, which makes for ultra smooth tightening. Like I said, once you get your hands on this and feel what this is made out of, feel the weight of this thing is going to last forever. With the Rollercam Moto Kit, all you do is attach one end to the bike, the other end to your mounting point, and pull. And unlike other straps that require one person to compress the shocks while another tightens down the strap, the Rollercam Moto Kit allows a single person to quickly and easily secure the bike. If you've secured bikes before, you know it is nowhere near as quick and easy as what I just showed you. And this isn't just some kind of a camera trick. We've used these ourselves several different times. We are absolutely in love with the new Moto Kit from Rollercam. And because it's from Rollercam, you've seen the quality. The Rollercam straps that we've been using for years, and none of them are showing any signs of wear. These are just fantastic products, guys. We highly recommend Rollercam. We are huge fans of them, if you can't tell. So we highly recommend you check them out. Go over to their website. I'll put a link in the description so that you can see them. Please get in the comments. Let us know what you think about this product and about this video. And as always, please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already done so, guys. It's free for you. It means a great deal to us. We really appreciate it. Thanks so much for watching. We hope to see you back here soon on the Best Life Adventure channel.